So yes, guys, welcome again. Welcome to another broadcast of Milk DERIV Group. Welcome to this broadcast. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. So today we won't be wasting much time. This video will be a very short one. As you can see, this is a trade we took with the VIP, where we grew a 289 account to $3,525 and this was just a signal, and it entered a sniper entry like we always do. And I decided to also do a video like I've been doing to some of my recently trades, and then I decided to do the same on this one, so that I will show you all how we got about the signal, and then what you can do, different things to do to get about the signal yourself, and then be able to milk the market yourself. So yes, as you can see already, this is what it gave us. Now this is how the signal went. As you can see, the point where I asked them to buy, and then the arrow up indicating that the market will go up. It will pass the first resistance level. The first resistance level there is actually this one. Sorry that I'm zooming so in. It's just for you to see. This particular one here is the first resistance level. This is the second one, and then I said it will pass all of them and then hit a take profit known to us, and then that was how the signal came about. And as you can see, it did exactly the way we asked it to, and it hit our TP and we milked the market. Now this is very easy to form. In this video, I'm going to tell you how I drew about these trend lines. In some comments in the other video, I saw some people saying that what kind of trend lines am I drawing, that they are too much. One thing I believe in Forex market is that a lot of people have different means of trading, and I can tell you that 90% of traders are not successful. I am 100% sure of it. Now if I find something that is very well, that works 100% for me, I see no reason why some rascal will come to my comment box and tell me that the trend lines are too much and all those stuff. If it's too much, you leave the channel. I didn't create the channel for you. You understand? So if the trend lines are too much, I know why they are too much for me, because I feel that is more like how will I put it now, more like a confidence for me before taking a market. I can't just take a market out of gambling. I need to see that so many things have been worked perfectly, and then the market moves the way I want. Then I will take the market. I don't just take the market because it's a market. Of course not. It's very bad to do. So whoever just comes to the comment box and says this trend line is too much, you shouldn't put trend lines that much, what? Who cares? Main thing is it works for me, and if it works for me, it can work for you. If trend lines being too much is your problem, then you have a big problem in the Forex market. So that's there. As you can see, the market, we just gave it at the point, and as you can see, it gave what we wanted. Actually, why you can't see the buy again is that I closed the market before I took the screenshot. It hit the take profit before I took the screenshot, so it wouldn't actually show you the movement. I think I'm going to show it here also, so that you see more clearly that what we do actually is to Milk DERIV. And then the profits we got, as you can see, this is the profit we got to $89 to $352. At the start, we started with $122.89 to $107.08 before, of course, we led the market to this particular point. So I'm going to go to my MetaTrader 5 now, and I'm going to show you all how I got above the signal. I'm going to draw the trend lines again like I always do. I'm going to delete everything, and I'm going to draw the trend lines again so that you'll be able to do it on your own. That's what it's going to be. Also, remember that Milk DERIV Group offers signals, we offer mentorship. One thing about this strategy that I teach, this price action strategy that I teach, is that once you learn it very well, Of course, you'll be making some small losses, that of course you can be able to manage. But the profits are always high, as you can see. If this was a real, if this was meant to be a trade that went in loss, I would have just lost $289. If assuming the account was to blow. But as you can see here, this profit here was $3,525 dollars from just the 200 from just the $289 account. So the forex market is very complicating, of course, I will tell you, but it's also very, very possible to do, and I'm going to tell you how I did it. So join me in the next section so that we'll talk about, I'm going to delete the trend lines, draw the trend lines again, the Fibonacci, the movement, the horizontal, the vertical, everything. I'm going to draw it again and tell you the reason why I took the signal, and you will see why the signal was taken, and it will be very, very helpful. Thank you very much. This is Milk DERIV. Let's go to the next part of the video. So you're welcome again. Like we were saying, I'm going to show you how I got about the signal and everything. So look, this is how the signal actually looked like. And then this is the point. Let me get the stuff. Okay, this is the point where we took the trade and took the buy. Now I'm on started to buy, and of course he take profit and all those and all this. Now first of all, remember what I always say in the videos: you need to find the trend of the market. What is this? What is the market movement? What is moving in the market? What's the possibility of this movement to continue? And all those, different means of trading the market. Now if you go to the H4, you find out that this market was actually buying. Yeah, the market was actually buying. It was buying, and then at a particular point, let's come to H1. It started to sell. It started to sell after buying for a very long time. It started to sell, and now it broke the sell here. It broke the sell and retested back to this place. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm saying. It broke the sell and retested back. As you can see, I've drawn a trend line indicating that this was actually a selling market at a point, but it broke it and then started to buy. So I've drawn the trend line for that one. This is this is what you're seeing here. I just drew it, so you would see it. And then if you go to the lower time frame, let's go to the M15. Sorry. Now I took my trade here for two reasons. I'm going to tell you the reasons. Now the market broke the trend and then retested. It retested in a very perfect way. Now, moreover, once a market breaks out of a trend and retest, there's high chances of that market to continue the original trend of the market, which in this case is to buy. There's a higher chance of the market to continue to hide the normal trend of the market, which in this case is to buy. So if you go to the M30, like you're seeing here, now you'd see that there was something I drew. Now this trend line I drew, I don't really want to explain this in this video, because it's one of the things I want to add to my video course. But okay, let's just understand the factors responsible for this. The trend lines I drew from here to here, and then I took the trade, because this formed a double bottom one, and because it touched the trend line, and so it was signaling a movement of the market, telling you this market wants to buy, this market seriously wants to buy. And then here being the take profit, of course we hit the take profit here, and the market was closed. That's very, very simple. The forex market is one of the simplest markets you'd ever work with. Very simple to trade, very simple to manage. You just need to understand the whole concept behind the chart, and then the market analysis, know what to do, know when there's a breakout, know when there's a retest, know when there's a continuation of a market, know when you've seen a wedge, some price action patterns like the wedge, know when you've seen the symmetrical triangle, when you've seen the head and shoulder, the cup and handle, a lot of price patterns that once you see gives you a whole lot of money in the forex market. In fact, I love seeing price patterns, formations, more than trend lines, and then the horizontal and the vertical lines stuff. I love seeing price patterns more because they are very high profit yielding when trading the forex market. So that's it for this video. I believe you've learned a lot of things. First of all, go to the higher time frame, day 1, H4, find the general trend of the market. Then you go to the lower time frame, pick your entry points. I can't really begin to describe all of them here because it's a YouTube, and I won't really give them all. You understand what I'm saying in just the YouTube means, because it will be somehow for those who actually paid for it in the mentorship. But I believe this video was very, very helpful in whatever you want to trade in. First of all, go to the overall trend of the market, find and pick the real trend of the market. Most people fail in the forex market or lose or blow accounts because they're always trained against the trend. Sometimes it's very nice. Personally, I trade against the trend. Whenever you want to have a long trade, a day trader, you always, always trend against it. Well, okay, let's not say like 9% trend against the trend of the market. Because if the market is buying and I see it's buying, and then there was a breakout of that buy, and then to sell, then I have to sell it in a way that will give me a lot of money. That's day trading. But that's actually trading against the trend of the market, because the market is trying to form a new trend, and there'll be some obstacles, there'll be some movement, there'll be some things you'd see, and all those kind of movement. But the main fact is, normally for people who want to scalp, you want to just take a day, you want to just take 4 hours, you just want to take a few minutes of the market, or milk it for some time, then please go trade with the trend of the market. The market was moving down, you cannot go and trade it to go up. If the market is going up, then trade it to go up. That's just one of the best secrets you'd ever receive from any forex guide to learning the forex market. Thank you very much. This is Milk DERIV. I must tell you, the Milk DERIV group is a forex oriented group. We offer signals, we offer account management, we offer mentorship, and all those kind of stuffs. And yeah, that's what we do. Thank you very much. You can contact us with www.milkderivefsgroup.com. And if you want to continue to receive more videos, insightful videos like this, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Believe me, more insightful videos are coming, more educating videos are coming that you'd love to watch, and I'm very, very happy to see a lot of people liking this video and then giving it thumbs up. It gives me the motivation to make better ones, and of course, make better ones for traders to follow. Thank you very much. And this is Milk DERIV, and all we do is Milk DERIV. Thank you very much.